rainfall map in QGIS through Excel data. You need to have Excel. Here is Excel. This is Mizoram rainfall data from January to December 2024, and you can have any other data, depends on your study area. So you can fill up like this and average. How to calculate this average, I'll show you. Equal, search up right, average. Here's average. Double click on it and open bracket. Drag January to December and close bracket. Enter. Here, instead of calculating all the others, just drag from here, and this is the average. And after this, how to save this Excel so that we can use for QGIS. Go to File, Save As this spreadsheet, and you can save in any folder. And here, save type as. Since I already saved, so I'll show you how to save, and I'll close it. Save as type, you have to choose CSV, delimited, and save. And now go to QGIS, go to layer, add delimited text layer, file name. Here, select the data, Excel data, and open. Under geometry definition, there is X field and Y field. X field, you have to select longitude and Y field as latitude and add. Now we have data, Mizoram rainfall data, but now we need the Mizoram outline map. So minimize it and drag in the Mizoram outline map. Always choose SHP. Now we have district outline map. Right click on it, go to properties, click on symbology, simple fill color as transparent. Applied. Okay, now you can see the location, and right click on data, go to properties, click on diagram. Here choose histogram. Here enable diagram, tick it and go to attribute, select January to December and add it. After this go to rendering, bar width, just make it 4, and bar spacing, we don't need bar spacing, so make it 0. And line width, no need line width. If we give 1 or 2, it will be too thick. And go to size unit as point, select point, and under scale size, attribute, the one we calculate average, click select the one, and maximum value, click on find, and bar length, make it 30. Apply. Okay, now we have district wise monthly rainfall in Mizoram 2024. This is district wise and the whole Mizoram rainfall data. If you want to show it, right click on the data, copy, and right click in here and paste layer, and to identify which one is the first one and second one, rename the second one as new. And now go to processing toolbox and search IDW interpolation. Here, vector layer, you have to choose the second one, the second data, and interpolation attribute as average, and add. Under this, there is extend. Here, extends, we have to choose draw on map canvas, and here you have to cover the whole Mizoram map. So drag it and cover the whole Mizoram map. After this column, make it to 50. And here to self-interpolated, there is 2y, temporary and save as permanent. But this one here will let me use temporary, and I'll show you later how to save permanently. Uncheck all the others except interpolated with this new one, and this logo shows temporary layer only, so if you save it permanently when you close the QGIS, it will disappear. So let's save it as permanent. Go to export, save as, file name, save as interpolated rainfall, and save. After this, okay. Now we have permanent one, so remove the temporary one. After this, we want only the Mizoram outline, so we have to extract. Go to raster extraction, and here choose clip raster by mask layer, and here input you have to select the interpolated, this one, and mask layer, the target, the Mizoram outline map. We want to clip out the district. Choose the district, and here there is source CRS and target CRS. Source target is the data interpolated rainfall, and target is the district. Now to fill up this source, you have to right click on interpolated and check the source. Here you have to remember this and select on it, this one, and you have to check the district again. From properties, click on source, same as interpolated data, so since it's same, so no need to fill up both. And here clip out as temporary, so let's clip out as temporary. If you want, you can clip out as permanent as well. Run it, uncheck all others and leave it only clip out. Here is the final one. Here, like before, if you want to save it as a permanent, go to export, save as, and save to any folder. And if you want to change the color, right click on it, go to properties, symbology, render type, single band shadow color, and interpolation, just leave it linear, and color array, you have to choose. Go to create new color array, and instead of gradient, go to catalog CPT CT. Okay, since our data is rainfall, so go to precipitation and select on rainfall. Okay, and here label precision. Label precision means the value, the numbers after points. So reduce it and make it 0, and mode, make it quintile, and under values the numbers are more after points, so you can delete. Till points. This as well. This as well. This too. And okay. This is the whole Mizoram rainfall. And this one is district-wise rainfall. To make map, there is two way to open layout. The shortcut one is Control plus P, and also if you want you can go to project and click on new print layout. And here you can use any alphabet to enter. Let me use 2. Okay, here's the layout. Go back to QGIS. Uncheck all the others we don't need to use for the first map. We need only this and district, so uncheck all the others and go back to layout and add map and drag in. Here the map is too small, so to make it bigger, click on move item content and press on Control and scroll your mouse. After this, there's no frame, so to make frame, click on it and under item properties, go to downside and click frame. And now there is frame. Now to send the coordinates, CRS, click on default. Under there is grid, click on it. Add grid 1, modify, and interval X make it 1, Y make it 1. If you want to increase the interval, you can make some other numbers here and remove this one. Here the interval will increase, but for now let's use 1. To remove this line style, you can reduce, and like if you want you can reduce fully. Under frame you can make it, if you want can make it zebra or some other option here, and let's use interior, tick here and tick on draw coordinates, formats, make it degree, minutes, second line, and left side it's horizontal. If you want to make it vertical, click on horizontal and choose vertical and make it frame inside frame vertical. And since top and bottom is already horizontal, so no need to change, make it inside. To reduce this number coordinates precision, make it 0. After this, what we have to do is add title, click on add label. We can give title as spatial distribution of rainfall in Mizoram 2024. Since the size is too small, to make it bigger, go to under Appearance, there is Font. Double click on it. Font font type also you can change it. Let me use Times New Roman. Size, you can increase it like this. And to keep it in the middle, go to horizontal alignment, make it as center. Now add node arrow here. Here you can choose any node arrow. Let me use this one. Fill color, you can choose any color. After this, add scale bar. Since the interval is too small, you can make it as under segment there is fixed width, make it as 20. There is only one line. If you want, you can make it double. After this, we have to add legend. Here we need only this legend, so we have to remove all the others. Go to under properties, go to legend items, uncheck auto update. Since we need only this, we have to remove others. Uncheck this one. Delete it. Pen 1 grade 2, delete it. Double click on clip mouse so that we can change the name. Rainfall in centimeter. And here the title, you can write legend. But here the value is too small. To make it bigger, click on it and under properties, go to the bottom, there is symbol. Under symbol there is symbol height, so increase this value, it will extend bigger. And if you want, you can make a frame for this. Go under, there is frame, ticket. Now the first map is done. So to make the scan map here, you have to lock all these layers. So click on here, go to properties, there is lock layer, ticket, lock style for layer as well, and go to items, take this map one and all the elements, and go back to QGIS. And now we don't need this one, we need this histogram, so take this one and district. Go back to layout and add map again here. Here the line is not same as the first map, so to make it more beautiful, press on control and zoom it and drag a little bit down. Yes, that is beautiful. And after this, the map is too small, so to make it bigger, click on here and press Ctrl and scroll your mouse. And here, if you want to identify the district, so you can show the label as well. Go back to here and right click on district, show label. All the district name will be appear here. And now if you want to So here, click on refresh view and the name will be appear here. After this, if you want to set the coordinates, go to item properties and CRS as default, and you have to take the frame. After this, go to grid, add grid 1, modify, interval, let's set as before 1, 1. And if you want to remove this line, you can reduce it or you can keep it in the middle so that it will appear like this. And frame style as you can use zebra or like any other option. Let's use interior tick, and under there is draw coordinates, tick on it. Formats, use degree, minute, second aligns, left, inner frame, and vertical, right, inner frame, vertical. Since top and bottom already horizontal, so no need to change it, just make it inner. And to reduce the number, go to coordinates precision, make it 0. After this, what we have to do is add the title. So click on add label, drag it here, and change the name here. And name it as district wise monthly rainfall in Mizoram 2024. And font you can change through here. Double click on it, and you can increase the size. And to make it center, go to horizontal alignment, and instead of left, make it center. After this, add node arrow. You have to drag it here, and you can choose any node arrow here, and go to fill color. You can choose any color. After this, now what we have to do is add scale bar. Check in here, and there is only one line. If you want to make it two line, go to style and make it double. After this, only legend is left, so add legend, drag in here. Since this one is monthly district wise, so we need this one. And to remove all the other, uncheck this auto update and delete unnecessary one. Double click on it and change the name. Let's write months and title as legend. Since the legend is too long, to make it reduce, go to the bottom, click on symbology. There is symbology height, reduce it. This is partial distributions of rainfall in Mizoram. This is district-wise monthly rainfall in Mizoram. If you want to export this one, go to layout export as image. You can export to any folder and make it as rainfall. Here you can choose any, but usually I used to select on PNG and save. Here there is resolution. Resolution means the quality of the picture. So if you make it more number, the quality of the map will be more clearer and easy to see all the map quality. But now let's use as GNRAP. This is the saved one, so let's double click on it. This is the final map.